Symbol. Symbol. A symbol is an object that stands for something else. The American flag is an important symbol of our country. Now you say symbol. Symbol. Tidy. Tidy. When something is tidy, it is very clean and neat. My desk is always tidy. Now you say tidy. Tidy. Polish. Polish. When you polish something, you rub it hard to make it shine. My brother likes to polish his shoes. Now you say polish. Polish. Destroy. Destroy. When you destroy something, you ruin it or wreck it. A fire can destroy a building. Now you say destroy. Destroy. Rescue. Rescue. When you rescue a person, you save that person from danger. The firefighter was able to rescue my cat. Now you say rescue. Rescue. Injury. Injury. An injury is harm done to a part of the body. Dad got an injury to his arm when he fell down. Now you say injury. Injury. Comfort. Comfort. When you comfort someone, you make him or her feel better. The nurse tries to comfort the sick child. Now you say comfort. Comfort. Seek. Seek. When you seek something, you try to find it. We are going to seek treasures in the backyard. Now you say seek. Seek. Celebrate. Celebrate. When you celebrate, you honor a special day or event with ceremonies. We celebrate the 4th of July by watching the fireworks. Now you say celebrate. Celebrate. Monument. Monument. A monument is a structure that honors a special person, event, or idea. The Statue of Liberty is a national monument. Now you say monument. Monument.